This outstanding example of early 20th century Georgian-style architecture is a refreshing oasis in the heart of the mainline Philadelphia. Set back behind a gated entrance and long drive on 8.4 acres, the brick residence has a commanding, stately presence with many of its design elements rooted in classical architecture. Its magnificent limestone front and back door surround set the tone for the attention to detail inside. Completely renovated down to the studs in 1991, its old-world features were seamlessly repaired and refreshed. Upon entering the bright front-to-back reception foyer, trimmed in elaborate rich moldings and millwork, parquet floors, and a dramatic wide stairwell, is the perfect place to welcome guests. To the right is a formal living room with fireplace, parquet flooring, multiple seating areas, and plenty of tall windows that bring in natural light. To the left, the formal dining room with fireplace and herringbone patterned wood flooring. Both formal rooms as well as a family room showcase fancy fireplace surrounds and substantial millwork and moldings that run from floor to ceiling. The kitchen is a chef's dream with mellowed cherry cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of natural light. Adjacent is a charming informal dining area with access to the grounds. The home's private quarters include the spacious main suite with a fireplace and seating area, generously sized walk-in closets, and marble-clad main suite bathroom with his and hers vanities, glass stall shower, bathtub, and hammered brass sinks. Additional finished living space includes the basement, perfect for entertaining with game area, bar with seating, and wine cellar. In addition to a 4-car attached garage, there is formal motor court-style parking, professional hardscaping and landscaping, lush plantings, and verdant lawn. Directly behind the house lies a classic English garden, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. A wraparound Palladian arched loggia is also the perfect outdoor room for entertaining and leads to a beautifully designed step-down pool area complete with a pool house. A picturesque outdoor gazebo offers views of the grounds. For additional recreation, a tennis court is located on the other side of the formal gardens. The home was sold for just $3,700,000 in July of 2021.